And new today from our state capitol, public records. That was one of the hottest topics in this year's regular legislative session. And while many of the bills were shot down, one bill that could limit your access to government documents has been signed into law by Governor Landry. The law would grant local and parish officials the ability to declare government records as confidential, therefore hiding them from public eyes. And while that may sound alarming, there is a catch. An official can only declare a document as confidential if the reason for the declaration is for, quote, economic development purposes, and the releasing of such documents could harm active negotiations with businesses. Now, there is one more catch with this law. The negotiations with businesses have to be valued at no less than $5 million. And if those documents are hidden, then they would become available to the public after no more than 24 months. Legislators argue that by hiding these documents, it could entice more businesses to come to Louisiana. Now, this law did not pass through the legislature easily. Here's what some of our state senators had to say during its debate.
You know, one of the things that was said, it was about whether the locals can't find out. Well, if the locals want to get that involved, I'm sure they can go to their local government and find out what they're doing. So we got to take this thing in confidence that we're trying to get our state better. And this helps because I can't guarantee or pinpoint a situation that we've lost businesses, but it has happened. Through my being in business for all these years, I've heard about it right here in my local home, that we lost the industry because somebody got a hold of it and it went to Texas.
But I do want to remind you that there are over 300 municipalities. There are 64 parishes, and your constituents have a right to know how our local governments are spending our tax dollars. Tax dollars can be, yes, cash, or also an agreement to have an abatement of some kind down the road.
The law will go into effect starting August 1st.